Well, students, today I'm going to discuss adjectives. To understand adjectives, let's look at the word adjective. Now, the word is, if I break it into two parts, it will be adjective. So, add in mathematics means to add something. So, adjectives are basically added with a noun or a pronoun. Why? These words are added with a noun or a pronoun to describe that noun or pronoun, or in other words, I can say these words give us some information about the noun or pronoun with which they are added. Now, I can also say that these noun or pronoun are adjectives' best friends. They always sit together. Now let's look at the definition. Words that describe noun and pronoun are called adjectives. Now here I have an example. Ravi is a good boy. Now here in this sentence, boy is the noun and the word good is describing the boy. If I talk about noun, we know that noun is a naming word. It can be name of a person, place, thing, animal, quality, emotion. Any naming word is a noun. And our adjectives will describe a noun. Then I have written kind boy. I'm using the same noun, but with the noun, I'm using a different adjective. Next is tall boy. So here again, I'm talking about some quality. The boy is tall. That is the quality of the boy. Handsome boy. It can also be bad boy or naughty boy. So all these words are describing the boy. We come to know about the boy when we read all these words about the boy. So these are all describing words or adjectives. Now when we talk about adjectives, there are basically 9 kinds of adjectives. We have adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, proper adjective, distributive adjective, and lastly, emphasizing adjective. So we'll not discuss all the types. We'll discuss just the first 6 maybe. So let's talk about the first one, adjective of quality. Words that describe the quality of a noun or pronoun are called adjectives of quality. I have a beautiful dress. Here I am talking about the quality of the dress. How the dress looks like. That is beautiful. I can also use the words nice, yellow, new, or old. So to describe an object, we can also talk about the color of the object, or the shape, or the size of the object. So here I have a card with me. So I can say it's a green card. So card is a noun. That is the name of this object. And green is the color of the object. So green is adjective and card is noun. I have another card with me. So I'll just say this is a yellow card. So here card is again my noun and yellow is the color. Yellow is the adjective. Now I can say it's a small card. It looks very small, right? So it's a small card. So small is the adjective that is describing the noun card. I can also talk about the shape. It is rectangular in shape. So rectangular card, if I say rectangular will be the shape of the card. So it will be the adjective. So this is how we can describe any object. I have another piece of paper that is circular in shape. So the circle can also, or circular paper can also be the adjective. Next I have adjective of quantity. Now when we talk about quantity, we will not say 2 kgs or 3 kgs or 4 kgs like this. Quantity means I'll use the words some, little, few, a few, the few, like this. So adjective of quantity, they define the quantity of noun and pronoun, not the exact amount. I don't want to know the exact amount. I just want to know the quantity, how much. So give me some sugar. So some is my adjective of quantity. Here I can say I have just 2 paper. So I can say I have some cards with me, though it is just 2 in number. If I have 3, 4, 5, the word some will suit that better. Some piece of papers with me. Then we have adjective of number. So as the word itself means number, so we'll get some numbers like 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are all adjective of number and it should be in word. Do not write number the way we write number 1, number 2. No, it should be in words. So I have 2 pencils. So here I can say I have 2 cards. So 2 will be my adjective and the word cards will be the noun. So 2 cards, 2 adjectives and cards, noun. Here 2 adjectives and pencils, noun. Or 5 apples. When we talk about number, we can also talk about numbers like first, second, like this. I received the first prize. So here first is the number. It can be single, double, triple, like that also. Now here if I want to say, this is the first card that I used to describe adjectives. So first card. First is the adjective and card is the noun. Then if we talk about demonstrative adjectives, we talked about demonstrative pronouns as well. The difference is, in case of demonstrative pronoun, the words